The Maserati Grecale GT 2025 is a luxury compact SUV that blends Italian craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology and exhilarating performance. With a starting price of approximately €75,000, this vehicle offers an unmatched driving experience, making it an alluring option for those seeking sophistication and power. The 2025 Grecale GT boasts a bold and refined exterior design. The signature Maserati grille is framed by sleek LED headlights, while sculpted lines run across its dynamic profile. The subtle updates to the rear, including redesigned taillights and quad exhaust tips, enhance its sporty appeal without compromising elegance. Despite its compact dimensions, the Grecale GT provides a spacious interior with ample legroom and cargo space, perfect for both city driving and weekend getaways. Its proportions balance practicality and luxury, ensuring comfort for all occupants. The Grecale GT is powered by a 2.0-liter mild hybrid turbocharged engine, producing 300 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, the SUV delivers smooth acceleration and thrilling dynamics, making every drive an adventure. With its mild hybrid system, the Grecale GT offers improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, making it a more eco-friendly option in the luxury SUV market. The advanced system also ensures responsive handling and a quieter ride. The Grecale GT comes equipped with Maserati's Skyhook adaptive suspension, which adjusts to road conditions for a smooth and comfortable ride. This feature makes the SUV equally suited for spirited drives and relaxed cruising. The 2025 Grecale GT is equipped with Maserati's Intelligent Assistant System, a 12.3-inch touchscreen with seamless navigation, smartphone integration, and voice control. A premium sound system provides an immersive audio experience, complementing the SUV's luxurious environment. The Grecale GT prioritizes safety with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Optional driver assistance systems provide an additional layer of security and confidence behind the wheel. Maserati's Grecale GT 2025 is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence, combining luxury, performance, and innovation. With its sleek design, impressive powertrain, and state-of-the-art technology, it's a perfect choice for those who value style and substance in equal measure.